Okay, so I'm sitting in my car, my vehicle, it's an SUV. But anyways, waiting to pick up the kids from school. So I'm going to tell you why your YouTube videos are not working. And it's not the technical stuff. The guys that are really making it happen have a background in marketing. So they understand thumbnails and images, sizing of images. They're familiar with probably print originally or just thumbnails on the internet. How when you take something big and you crush it down to something really small, it makes it harder to see the details. And so you need to understand that. But unless you're familiar with Photoshop, you're not going to get those images put together. And then there's other like compositing the images for the thumbnails or the splash page for your video. You need to manipulate the photos sometimes. You do the googly eyes, the surprised look, the whatever. And then the fonts, you need to be able to work with that stuff. And so that's actually, unless you're paying somebody and you're investing in it, it's tough to do. And then your subject matter. It helps to be, younger, naturally pretty, doing yoga in a bikini. There's a lot of people that look for stuff like that, and it's a lot easier to get the attention doing that than it is to do something like how to, I don't know, start a lawnmower or something like that, or small engine repair. Although that has its place on YouTube. Find your audience. You're going to find that the more specific and fewer people there are out there, as technical as some things get, there's just fewer people on the pyramid looking for that. Whereas somebody young and cute and doing something really popular, like, I don't know, doing Taylor Swift concert reviews or um, uh, I don't know, jumping off bridges, goofy stuff like that. Those are always going to be really popular and fun to look at because, people want to be entertained. And so that's the other thing is you want to have energy, you want to be entertaining, you want to bring, people are looking at this stuff in their spare time. So you really need to compete with television, other stuff on YouTube, the latest music video, the algorithm, it's feeding them their favorite stuff. So, it's not that you're not succeeding on YouTube. You might just be doing as well as you can. And there's just a lot of other stuff out there. So, it's important to, I came from the world of photography. It's important to look at what you're putting out there and make sure you're putting out the best you can do it and be honest with do it for the audience and not just what you think it should be. All right. Good luck.